See, what happens is you go to the well one time too many end of the day, and then you'll give back a portion and a good portion sometimes of what you earned all day long. So the blue line is the resistance. That's why we done by the 51. But we also, and we know that it's a lower high. We just made a new low, so it's a viable trade, but you're starting to get thin, and it's at the end of the day. And this long bar, this push right here tells you, okay, traders are taking profits because of price and time. So you go back to the well one time too many, and that's where sometimes you'll give it back, and you'll try to average in a couple, and all of a sudden you say, whoa, what happened here? So at the end of the day, like I said earlier, we usually won't close at the low of the day. We will sometimes, but that's not often. Maybe, what, 15% of the time? So we're always looking into that last hour for contra. And this is the contra that fools everybody when we make the new low. And now if traders don't know approximately where their targets are, they try for too much, then they get ripped a little right here. So by knowing where our magnet was over here, 43.75, it helped us to be looking to escape into the 45s, 44s if you've got courage, and keep an eye on the red line. And this 5-minute chart, you can see, but that's a 5-minute chart. That's not a strong chart basis the 10s and 15s and whatever. Is that, this low was challenged. Next support low is down here. And this is obviously, in my opinion, the end of the day wrap up, where I said could be that, now we'll get a little bit tighter range, and that's what we've got. So the first time we push up to the 52s, a lot of times that will hold, but the second time through it won't. It'll go up and try to test the next level. So I'll be very careful at the end of the day. We could be closing right in this neck of the woods. Either way, I'm done. Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's a good reversal time. Great point. So if we're looking at our potential, look how this angel got washed out. And then here we go. Comes right back up and re-triggers the same angel. Right? So that already gives us some dynamics right here. And that's why protect profit mode. So I think we trapped a few lates. And it's not because it was an intentional trap as much as it was a timing trap where traders who are a little bit more knowledgeable say, you know what, getting late, I want my profits. And that causes this really strong push. So timing has a lot to do with it. And look at the range we had for the afternoon. We had this box right here, about an 8-point box. Right? Here was our afternoon high. Here's our afternoon low. And lunchtime, we had a good run, lunchtime. Everybody thinks this is the low for the day, but then we do the 1, 2, 3, lower low. Right here. All right, then we get our head back up above it and trap a few. Anyways, previous low, I said, that's resistance, still broken, still intact. The problem is you start shorting lower highs, because that's the way it works, obviously in a trend, until one of them you'll short and you'll get stopped out because you were too aggressive and the timing was wrong. All right, we'll pick it up from here tomorrow. Good deal, guys. Hope you took something out of the day. I think this was the best day that shorts finally were waiting for. And no idea when it was going to come, but we knew it was going to come one day. Good night, Jay. Yep. Good night, Mike. Well done. Go hit some golf balls. And today was the kind of day where you can take tomorrow off now. See you in the morning.